What's going on, everyone? Today is April the 10th, 2022. Upstart. It's overvalued. And I'm going to show you why just by looking at the price chart. I mean, when you come through and you do an price prediction or forecast as to where you expect price to go, and the market completely avoids that, that tells you that the price is overvalued. So I'm going to show you basically by looking at Upstart that I'm looking for the price to continue to go lower. The market is giving me information to tell me that what I originally expected on my last price prediction, which is in front of you now, was incorrect. Obviously, the buyers did not show up in the market. Okay, cool. So now, before I talk about all of this, welcome to the channel. If today's your first time seeing my videos, my content, I make this simple and easy. I don't come through, give you all technical indicators. I don't talk about fundamental analysis. I don't care about that information because it only causes more cloudiness. It fogs up your perception as to what price really is doing. I just pay attention to price, bars, and volume. It lets me know what the majority of the market is trying to do with their own money. So guys, come on. What you waiting for? Yeah, join me on this particular channel because I'm gonna walk you through and show you how you're supposed to tread through the market without being eaten. All right, so hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well because you want to be notified. Because if I see anything change in this very versatile environment, which we call the stock market, you want to be aware of it. All right, that's why I'm coming through now and talking about Upstart. Yes, I did a video in Upstart on March 23rd, 2022. Here it is. And I'll show you the ones I get right. I show you the price predictions I get wrong. This is wrong. Yes, the market did not go up at all. Right after I did the video, the market in Upstart completely went down. There wasn't no buyers. Nobody's interested in buying Upstart at these price levels. This is what you're seeing in front of you right now. When you see a lackadaisical, non-interested environment to where people are not buying the stock, this is the results. You see price go down regardless. You don't even see any indication that the market in Upstart wanted to go up above $130. I appreciate the market giving me this information because it lets me know when I need to cut the play. It lets me know when I need to let it go and that my original intention is not correct. You need to take the other side. This is what the market is saying right now. Just look at it. So why would you be emotional? Why would you be scared? Why would you be fearful? Why would you be nervous? The market is screaming at you, hey, you're not right. You need to let this go and follow me. I'm trying to take the price down. This is what the market is saying. So what I'm going to do, seeing that this did not go right at all, we need to take the loss. Yeah, it's not going to, every trade is not going to work out properly. Every investment is not going to work out in your favor. This is when you need to know I need to let it go then. So getting out the market on the last trade of Friday is around 28%. Yeah. Now, let me show you something else. So now, at what point though would you have said, okay, cool. The market is not really giving me what I was expecting back here on March 23rd. At what point would you have said, this doesn't look like it's really strong? This market doesn't look like the buyers are trying to control the markets. What day would you have said, okay, cool. And in order for me to get out this play, minimize my losses, I might need to get out here, right? Because we could say it. Let's run this play. So I did a price prediction in Upstart on March 23rd. Right out the gate, price went down. But we did see price and buyers coming to the market on the 28th of March, and they even came through on the 29th. So from the 29th of March, I will be saying right now to myself, hey, there's still a chance that the price in Upstart can go up. So I won't cut the play then, right? I wouldn't do it. But then you saw it right here on this arrow on March the 30th. The buyers initially, in the beginning of the trading day, saw price go up, but the market did not end that way. The price closed on the downside. It closed at the low end of the bar. That is where the switch occurred between where the buyers were running up price to where the sellers came in and said, look, I'm trying to run this market. I'm going to take this price down. And that has been the case since then. That was the day right here. In order for you to minimize your losses of 28.41%, you could have just been down 10%, right? Because even the next following day on the 31st, you could have gotten out then too as well, because we ended on the low end of the bar. The market closed lower than where we started in Upstart. Like the market was telling us these things. So now, if I'm looking at what's been going on into the market in Upstart, then obviously, can you see this? Look at this trend. I want you all to look at the trend in Upstart, right? We wanted to see the market continue to follow this trend. And if we're seeing weakness right here alongside this trend, what make you think we're going to continue to ride it? What make you think we're going to continue to see price go up? For real. Exactly. I'm not seeing that. The next level that I'm looking at is around $80. Okay. That is where we can possibly see buyers stand up price in Upstart. This is a bearish market right now. Okay. So now let me show you why I think the price in Upstart is going to continue to go lower. We're going to start out here on the weekly time frame. Okay. Now I got that trend in place, right? It looks real clean. The market in Upstart was definitely keeping this price above the trend, right? Look at that. We saw that. This is indication that the buyers were trying to maintain their control, right? But now, look at this last weekly price bar. We're breaking the trend. Price closed lower than the trend. I'm not here to convince you. I'm showing you the evidence as to what's really going on in the market. And just look at that. Many people act like they don't see what I'm showing them. If you're still expecting that this market in Upstart is bullish, then explain why price is closing below the trend. And not only explain that, explain this. Around $120. Look at this. The market in Upstart was acting as restriction. Look at that. A lot of the trading action occurred below $120. Explain that. If the market is bullish, price should be breaking above $120 too. And then let me show you another time frame. Look at that. This is nothing but weakness in Upstart right now. The weakness started here. This 2-weekly price bar, February 28, 2022, the market was weak. It was signifying that the sellers are dominating the price, and the process is still ongoing. This is not a buyer's market. I'm just going to keep it real, keep it a buck. I'm looking for the price in Upstart to go lower. Now, my first area is around $80. What's that, $11 away? That's not much. We can literally see buyers hold price there. And let me show you why. Because here, this goes all the way back to May of 2021. We could see the buyers initially hold price in Upstart just like we did then. Okay, you see that? We held price around 80, and then we did it again in January 2022 on this 2-weekly price bar. Price came in and held that level. Now we got a lot more weakness than what we were originally seeing. So that $80 may get taken out and price may come down to around $60 to $70. Are you ready to see price go that low? For real? Are you ready to see that? So now let me run the play because I'm looking for the price in Upstart to break that trend. So I'm gonna get rid of that line. I'm not expecting the market to hold that. And then I already know where the first area is going to be that we can see buyers stand up price. And it's right there around 80. Let's keep it real. That's 13% movement to the downside in Upstart, right? Now I'm going to play the bearishness or expect the price in Upstart to continue to go down as long as price maintains itself below $120, right? So my first price target is 80. Okay. My second one is going to be here around $67.45. Okay. $80 first level. Second level is going to be around $67.45. And my third one is going to be down here towards 60. Okay, that's it right there. All right. Now, this is my expectations. as time goes forward, right? I'm predicting where I'm looking for the market in Upstart to go. So now it's your turn though. You let me know, what do you think? Price going up, price going down, where we're going to go, because we need to get in position in order for us to win. That is the edge that we have amongst everybody else who plays into the market. We can predict where prices are going to go. So now it's your turn. I want you to tell me, where do you see the market in Upstart going? And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.